My wife is all the time with me. In underground life also, overground also, in the days of perils also, in the day of joy also. We are blessed by a son and a daughter. Son is Borkunglal. He will be somewhere here. And his
Mamti horta ite. Please come.
his
Mommy.
wife no hongrai
Mami.
sente komor
Sente, sente.
and his Borkunglal, you know him, rap star, rap, you call it rap, no?
Yeah.
Rap star Borkunglal. His wife is teaching in Don Bosco College.
Holy Cross College.
Holy Cross College, yeah. Holy Cross College. And she is going to be honored PhD in sociology. And daughter Judy Bortu, she is lawyer. So this is the size of the family. So they are so useful, inspiring me also. In the day of my sickness, I was in hospital for more than 3 months, and almost whole year, almost bedridden, but still, with their help and encouragement, and mostly this Sentienla, who is teaching in Holy Cross College, is another instrument to go through this book also. And wheresoever she finds something has to be altered, she points out. And we went to Guwahati also to meet the publisher so that I can have the book at the earliest possible with 100% satisfaction. So we are blessed with one grandson. His name is Christopher. So this is the size of our family. And besides these are all my young colleagues who are still fighting to achieve something for our future survival. So my heart goes to all of you, men, women, young boys, girls, and those who are still involved in some party, especially our youth in Tripura Motha, of which I sit as a president. So I wish that we will be fighting on with stable heart and mind, so that we can achieve something. This would be another never-ending two. So this is never-ending one. Never-ending two will be very, very interesting to see our next generation, those who are in the democratic system, to achieve something. For we might have achieved with some means, but today they have to achieve meaningfully. So thank you so much once again. If anything on this thing, I will be happy to talk to you. And I have one honorable member legislator and MDC also, some other people from public life, and from Zedi Moya. He is another man who was with all our struggle also, especially in English medium. He was one of the first person to come and teach in Zion Hill also. So today, in sound health, we have been able to meet. And these younger journalists, you are learning more and more, so that you can bring some meaningful that may knit our society that we can survive together and understand each other. Thank you again, and we'll continue. Please share it now.
Sir, how many copies have been purchased in the first phase?
At present, we have 5,000 only.
And where will we be able to get the books?
Abunda Arman.
It is available now, about 1,000 available, but we have brought 200 now.
No, I am asking where the readers can get the book actually.
That though, I think we will tell you later.